In this help video, I'd like to show you how to upgrade your add-ons, your MTPredictor add-ons for NinjaTrader 8, and it's also the same procedure for doing it for NinjaTrader 7. So let's see what version we have installed at the moment. So if I go to Tools, under the MTPredictor tab, if I come to the About topic there, you can see I've actually got installed build 8.1.0.6 on this PC at the moment. I know the latest version is 8.1.0.7, so I know I can upgrade to a new version, and let's see how to do this. So that's first how you check what build you've got installed. So to upgrade to the new version, again you go from Tools, MTPredictor, you now go to the download icon there. So you click on the download icon, and here you can then click on the little plus next to the MTPredictor add-ons for NinjaTrader 8. You can see that little plus there, and here you can see that the latest version is 8.1.0.7. So we have to first download this. So you highlight it by clicking on it once, the download button becomes available. You now click on download, and this then allows you to save it to your PC. You can either save it to the desktop here, or you can choose a different folder on your PC, perhaps the downloads folder, to download it into. So just remember where you're saving it to, then click save, and you can see it's downloaded already. So it really is quite quick. So do OK to close that, cancel to close that, and now we have to close NinjaTrader because you can't install it with NinjaTrader open. So I'm just going to click on close to save that workspace, and there it is. And I'm just now going to bring the installer into the picture there. You can see this is the installer that I actually saved to the desktop, but it might be in a separate folder. So you just go to the folder where you saved the installer program and then double click on it, as I'm doing here, and then just go through, follow the instructions. So just do next, accept the agreement, next. Just keep all the default ones just as they are. So just keep clicking next. You can leave that unticked. That only deletes saved chart data, so you probably leave that unticked. That's actually fine, just like that. And then do next, and then do install. And there you can see it's off done the install really quickly indeed. And now you click finish. And that's all there is to it. It's now installed. So let's now open NinjaTrader 8 again. So if I double click on the NinjaTrader 8, this will just open this up. Just take a few seconds to open up. We just have to wait, and here you can see there's a box pops up that says detected a new assembly. Please ensure this is a trusted source, so we know it's from MTPredictor. So you say yes to authorize these add-ons. So click yes there, and then that allows it to basically install those. So we now just wait for it to open. I can see outside the video it's just gone down to my taskbar. See there's the cursor still going around there, so it takes us a little bit of time to open, and here it is starting to open again. Now remember, when we first open this, remember I've got only one workspace open, which I set up as an untitled one. I don't open my main workspace until everything is loaded. So if I go to Tools, you can see that there's no MTPredictor. Oh, there it is, it just popped in. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for the MTPredictor menu item to be installed. If it's not there, as I've said in separate videos, perhaps just have a look at the log file, have a look at accounts, positions, just check everything's okay before you then carry on. So now if we go to Tools, MTPredictor, and if I go to the About button there, you can see it's now built 8.1.0.7. So we've upgraded and installed the latest 8.1.0.7, and obviously these build numbers will increment as time goes on. So that just shows you how easy it is to basically install the new version of the MTPredictor add-ons on your same PC. Because it's being installed on your same PC, you don't need to go into the registration to re-register MTPredictor. It just knows that it's authorized on that particular PC. And remember, the download option is under Tools, MTPredictor, Download, and then you can click on that plus sign and then download the latest version. So hopefully that shows you how easy it is to basically upgrade into the latest version of the MTPredictor add-ons when you're installing for NinjaTrader 8 on the same PC.